Magandang araw mga gwapo-gwapa! In this video, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano magbayad ng voluntary SSS contributions from employed to self-employed or voluntary contribution for the first time gamit ang My SSS application. If you find this guide helpful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Thank you. There are two simple processes. First step is to generate payment reference number or PRN from My SSS app, and second, pay your SSS contribution via Gcash. Now, no more talking. Let's get started. First step, open Apple or Google Play Store. Under Apps tab, search SSS. Once found, tap Install. It will start downloading the app. After done, click Open. Now we have access their app. By the way, if we click the last posted contribution, our last payment month is June, since I'll let you see the reflected payment later. Now let's go back. Let's now tap PRN icon beside services. Then let's click contributions. Since this is our first time to pay voluntary SSS, we have no history of records found. Now to create PRN, click Create button below. We are on Generate PRN section. Choose your membership type. Let's select Voluntary. Then, let's select Applicable period from. I will pay for this month, August. And then Applicable period to. Take note that you can advance pay, but you can't backward pay. Now tap OK. Let's now select our contributions, premium, based on our desired amount. I'll choose 1,050 pesos. Now, if you want to add more SSS contributions to potentially increase your retirement income, you can click Voluntary Pension Booster only and add Voluntary Pension Booster amount. But let's just leave it blank. Now to proceed, click Generate PRN button below. A Generate PRN pop-up confirmation will appear. Let's click OK to continue. Now your individual payment reference number is created. You can download this PDF file or just simply copy the reference number. Now for step 2, SSS contributions. Payment. Open Gcash app. Once inside, click Bills icon. Then go to Categories section and click Government. There are so many billers here to make it quick. Just search SSS contribution. Once found, click it. Enter the amount of your contributions. That's 1,050 pesos. Take note that there's 8 pesos service fee charge. Then select account type. This is PRN. Then input your 14-digit payment reference number. I will just copy it from the PDF I downloaded earlier. Then paste it. Then select Pay Your Type. Click Voluntary Contributions. Now input your email address. For me, this is important, so you can receive a receipt copy to your Gmail. Now to proceed, scroll below and let's click Next. Double-check your details, especially the payment reference number. If everything looks good, click Confirm. Now the SSS contribution payment has been processed. Now after 2 to 3 business days, it has reflected on our account on the month of August. Now, that's it. If you find this video guide helpful, then please consider subscribing. Thank you.